In this video, I am going to teach you how to effectively use Google Tasks to manage your team. So you can directly sign in into your Google Task if you already have a Google account. So from in there, you can just go to tasks.google.com and you should be able to see in here this. So for example, you can click onto this create option and you have an option to create in here a task that you would want to create. So for example, let's put in here, make a presentation. Then input right here the due date for that. And also if it repeats and also add the description. You can choose a list that it will be added. Now click on the save and as you can see, it has been added. So we have in here the option to assign this task to teammates if you have the Google Workspace added. You can click onto these three dots and you can click onto this add subtask if you want. And for example, let's put in here script for the presentation. And then you can input right here a due date for this particular subtask. You can click onto this date and time and then input right here the date that this subtask is due. So now it looks like this. So it can be added as a Google task to manage your team if you can actually assign this task to your team. So since I don't have the Google Workspace subscription, it's not applicable to me. However, if you have it, you should be able to have the option in order to assign a member to this task. You can also expand under these three lines in order to see the main and see in here a new list as well as stored tasks that you have already. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.